Hi everyone, this is Daisy and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, I'm here in my veranda area and the wind is strong. The weather is still gloomy. It's been raining almost every day here in our area. So I'll just giving you a quick update on my succulents. As you can see, they are wet because the rain has just stopped. So I'm really waiting for the summer time so I can fix the pots here in the veranda area because I wanted to repot and I wanted to cut some more of my succulents, because we can still propagate some just like this. We can cut these babies because it's in the right size already for propagation. And although the succulents still have some colors, and this one is also due for rebutting our kakofo, but I cannot repot it because it's totally wet and there are some mushy leaves already. So I don't have enough time to clean them up today because they are wet and from time to time it's raining. So as you can see, there's an empty space here because that is where the cactus, the one we repot last Wednesday, is placed. So I haven't placed it back there here because it's still raining and we just cut the roots of that cactus. So I still waiting for it to recover from the cutting and the repotting that we made. Look at these succulents. So it's almost dying, but I hope it can survive. So let's see if this can survive. So there are lots of things to clean up again, but we cannot clean it up because it's still, oh no, while I'm here one of the pot fell. Oh no, good thing because of the strong wind. So good thing it did not get damaged that much. So it was just a little bit uprooted, so I just place it back. Let's go get this leaf and throw it away. Oh, we're lucky that we're here, or else it will get destroyed. So go back to this area. So I'm just giving you an update on how my succulents are here. So the wind is so strong, it feels like there's a storm, but there's no storm. It's just keep on raining. So my location for those viewers or subscribers that do not know where is my location. So my location is here in Silang, Cavite, but we are near, if you are familiar with the Adventist or Adventist University of the Philippines, we are near there. So AUP is the landmark that we had here. So I'm more near to Santa Rosa than to the Tagaytay. So for those who are thinking that I'm near in Tagaytay, I cannot say I'm really near because I'm much near with the Santa Rosa area, Nuvali area, so than the Tagaytay area. So I'm just giving you an update on the succulents here in the veranda area. So this is the first part The one that I am showing you is the first part of the veranda area. So for the new viewers, my veranda area is where I place my succulent. It's a rain or shine area, which means they don't have roof, net, or UV plastics that protects them from the sun or rain. So they are totally exposed to full sun and full rain showers. So this is how it looks like. So there's no roof. So that's the first part, and this is the second part of our veranda area. So when I started collecting succulents, first I placed them all in the garage area, thinking that they are so delicate that they cannot survive here, because during summer it's really hot here. During rainy season, no, the rain really pour water a lot, so I'm afraid they might get overwater. But as I learn and take care of them for 4 years already. Oh no, there's one casualty. So I just have to remove the fertilizer. So as I have learned day by day while I'm taking care of my succulents here in the veranda area, so I have learned that they will grow more and more healthier here in my veranda area, because they can get enough full sunlight and also full rain, which helps them or give more nutrients to them. So, and the earth circulation on this area is really good because it's an open space. So air circulation is also important for them. So, oh no, this one doesn't survive anymore. So this succulent was the one infested by the mealybugs. So I don't know, but the stem is still hard. Let's see if it will give us an option. But the main rosette was already dying. Maybe I just poured too much alcohol on it because to kill the mealybugs. So anyway, this one also, I think it will not survive, but I have to cut it and fix it, but not today because it keeps on raining. So this is the second part of my succulents. So now let's go to the big pot or rush pot. So look, before, or I think last month, I vlogged this one. This is our cozy plant. So it has a very nice color and the weeds grow too. So now it's getting more bigger and more lush because of the rain. So excuse me for the noise. Our dogs keep barking. So this is our sedum clavatum. It's getting more lush, but the color is getting more pale because it keep on raining. To get more colorful succulents, you should give your succulents more sunlight, less water. Cold weather will make it more radiant. So there are lots of things to clean up again. And look how, so it's been a week that I have not cleaned them up. Why? Because it's been raining here in my area. So I don't clean up my succulents. This is our Captivaria Marfin. So the wind is so strong. Look at the grass, there's wind. So it's really strong. So I have to be very quick in making this video or vlog to share with you, because I know that you miss my succulents already, as I miss them too. So we have no choice, because during rainy seasons I cannot do video or vlog. I cannot even fix their pot or repot them because of the rain. So there are some casualties, but that is totally fine. So this is the rock of our cactus, and this is a propagation basket, so I haven't still fixed it. And this is some of our beautiful succulents and colorful ones. So it's drizzling, it's cold, so I just have to finish it as fast as I can. So I haven't placed here the propagation pot that we have made last month. So this is my working table. I have some cuttings here and our goose tea that I need to repot. This is the aronpe that we have propagated last month too. So this is my money tree, and at the bottom of its pot I have here some leaf propagation. So this is our Asophytum serias. They are wet because it's already drizzling and I'm still out here making or doing the video, so I can share with you an update on how are my succulents. So this is the first rock or first black rock that I have. So this is the second one. And this is the third one, for the pot of cat beauty. I think I forgot the name, but it's the one that fell. So I'm so sorry if I have to video it so quick. So you just have to have a glimpse of my succulent, because it's already drizzling and I feel so cold. So I just finished this. This is our third rock. So I have a total of 8 rocks here in my veranda area. So most of them are okay. So this is the fourth rock. So even the beeping of the bus and truck from the highway can be heard in my veranda area. So sometimes I really choose the time to make the vlog. So that it will be nice on your side to my viewers or subscribers to watch my video, because my problem is the noise of the vehicle, the noise of the dogs, and also the constructions here in my neighborhood. So this is the 7th rock. So I think they're okay, but some wasn't able to survive around 3 to 4 pots. But there are lots of things to do and to clean up here. So this is the one that we got. Look, there's babies already. And look how colorful this one. So most of my succulent lose its color because of the rain already. I don't know. I don't understand why it keep on raining. But I think summer is coming already. These are Echeveria Farfalla, which is so pretty. So on this spot, this is where I got the mellow cactus. So it's an empty space, and this is where I got the pot of cactus where we repot last Wednesday. So this is our aloe, so it has a flower look. So I think I need to separate also the babies of the aloes, so I don't have time yet because their pot is really wet. So I guess that's all for today. It's drizzling already and I feel so cold here because the wind is so strong. So bye for now. See you on my next video. See you on Monday, guys. Bye. God bless us all. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed my share for today, the update on my succulents here in the veranda area. So see you, and don't forget to like and share my video. And if you do like my videos, or you know somebody who likes this kind of videos, please share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. And if you want me to vlog on something about my plants, you can comment down below so I can accommodate your comments. And who knows, I might be able to do the video that you are requesting. So bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye bye.